The topic of today's video is how to add outlines on any PNG in Davinci Resolve. Alright, so here we have the Shazam logo in a PNG, no background, and all we need to do here is go to Effects, and then we want to go to our toolbox and search, and we're going to type in paper, and there it is under Fusion Effects Paper Edge. And you'll see that's what it does. But let's just drag and drop it on here. And to me, that actually looks really awesome. But I'm going to assume you want a neat outline. So what we're going to do is head over to the inspector over here. Make sure that it's on Effects. And then here by our border, we're going to make this outline a bit larger. Again, this is preference. And we can change the color if we want. But to fix the rough edges, all we need to do is come down to Edge. And under Edge roughness, we want to just slide that all the way down. And there you are. That is much neater. And that's all there is to it. You can customize it as much as you want. Feel free to fiddle around. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next Davinci Resolve video.